AITAH for leaving my boyfriend after a health crisis? I'm 53, ex is 62. We were together for 15 years. I wanted to get married. He didn't. I'm younger and in much better health. He's got some chronic health problems. 12 to 13 years ago I was okay with getting married, for better or worse, etc. I was fully prepared to stand by him for the rest of our lives, even though it was pretty obvious to me that he was not going to age well. He didn't want in part because he wanted to leave everything to his children. I was okay with it, but made it clear that I wasn't going to make wife-level sacrifices to take care of a boyfriend. I asked him to at least make me medical power of attorney and grant me the right to continue living in his house if I outlived him. He refused. I made sure to keep my finances in order. I bought a condo and rented it to pay the mortgage. About 6 months ago ex had a TIA, mini stroke. I was afraid he was having a real stroke. His daughter and ex-wife came to the hospital, kicked me out so they could be together as a family one last time. I went home and started packing. When the TIA resolved, he called to find out where I was. I told him what happened and he was furious with his daughter for kicking me out of his room and for letting his ex-wife in. They had a very bitter divorce and he still hates her. He was discharged the next day. On the way home, I told him I was moving out. I stayed with him a few days to make sure he was okay. Then I left to stay with friends until the lease is up on my condo. He's had a series of TIAs since then and can no longer work. AITAH for leaving him after he had a health crisis?